Hello. So, I ran for an hour, and I did and I ran 6.24 miles, like I did Tuesday. And then I did 31 minutes on the 7 walking app. And now today is abdominal crunch challenge day, so I'm up to 31. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to join my workout challenges like I'm doing, or just want to watch my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fit Just Lewis, and check out my workout videos on Facebook. Love you guys, and I hope to see you soon. Have a good day.